Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Kwame, bring way.
Kwame. So can say me send you messages.
Debre. Inti mu de.
Dear Mampani ayi. Me my dream na me fi say. Stage na ya dru no ni ho kwan. Say otwe esen. Ebinum so amene omo kasa edi nkomo, particularly omo te parliamentary practice na si pa any parliamentary law no e ma meti asese at the stage yenyen koto abano it is still a bill and that the president or the executive can withdraw at any time. Kwame, that's my opinion is shared by other people. I'm saying Kokwaza my kind post be on that. If there are disputes about opinions or in opinions on a practice, and I say a legal procedure, the best forum to settle it is the Supreme Court. I was willing to go, but I'm not going to go now. I will not. And I'll tell you why. 2, Kwame, Article 55(3. Mijidie Pani say, inconsistent with the spirit and letter of the 1992 Constitution, but a entrenched provision. And also, because it's a constitutional provision as to whether you can challenge it at the Supreme Court or not. So whether the Supreme Court's original jurisdiction can be properly invoked, no, it's another matter. And there's nothing wrong with trying anyways. So, I think we say, it can also be done. What I want to say is that the Constitution 1992 enkahoda. Constitution 1992 enkahoda. Surely this constitution will change. Now one more. Constitution ye duplicitous as it is. Come, and I mean those words. Duplicitous.
What kind of tree are they?
Nada nkontompo krata ngomamamre amamuo any editing. Me say even now the man and me say why exception crown why you turn and say oh no credit to say yenye amendments be to remove the transitional provisions in the Constitution. Mr. Rollins, aside him, all the presidents of this fourth republic have had cause to say ye here say ye beye amamra and such a akukodru ye beye enaka. Kwame, at the heart of this matter, nyatrum any eniso edi sankomoi yeshade yasiache. This matter was not just about election of MMDCs. Anybody who says that is getting it wrong.
Or is deliberately getting it wrong.
Kwame, it is about our local governance system. Any nyatuma yediye. And included the election of assemblymen, unit committee members. Adentina ye kotoaba ye ya obuabia samwa ayi na nofori ousu ayi benadenim piesie nipa miensa say ye wo electoral areas miensa wa ha ye to abayi sa electoral area ayi anamusi for miensa wi ye say wo Kwame Sefa kan wo ye mampani nti ye omumu ohamu nchemu aduasan so omu ye nipa miensa memfa ne say well, let's say 3. The 3 will constitute the 100%. The president will nominate one more person who will constitute 30% to add to them to make 4. To neutralize the power of the people expressed at the assembly.
Yes, it's true.
Sadeno was to be changed. You were to take away the power. Sadeno, it's not just about the election of MMDCs. It's about overhauling the corrupted process that was introduced in 1988 before the coming into being of the 1992 Constitution. Article 248 and you change Article 55(3). Kwame, you see, some of you, with the greatest of respect to you, what can be the more poison atmosphere? No? This your no stance. Oh, you mean your penny? I have the permission to talk to you. Yes, thank you. You are no, but not when I'm here, Kwame.
Oh, better when you are turning tone.
So, I did that. Mamintano Boko. Sadiana and that's one more. You're two bayi, my friend say, yeah, Mampeni pow. To me, Mampeni was so pow. DC no. And yeah, no qua assembly for now, Casaso.
There was 7 positions.
And you see, to the extent that your history said, you need government appointees. Yes, sister, within a very short space because one more and they were not doing the bidding of who appointed them there. And teacher General. Even this claim say your local government and I say district level elections no non-partisan no, it is not true. In fact, it is a one-party system. Meanwhile, Parliament, Constitution here say because of the history of CPP time, yenya one-party state you know. Constitution 1992 Mudi Hashem say Parliament. Muni won't cry say, we entertain bill be introduce one party state. Meanwhile, at the local level, we are practicing one party state. Tell me we are not. And now this is bang. And I say, government appointees now, Mampeni Akufo-Addo appoint Omono. Omuwan na CCP ni. Omuwan among appointed on the condition say, or you affiliated or connected to the friends say MPP. Chairman General, I like to use my father's example.
Yes, you have used it before.
Kwame, my father was nominated by President Kufuor. Of course, he was PNC, CPP stock. And to be no munim say or MPP Nanzena or no crack catch him say no Danko Buzia a club member, but that is his own history. When my father was nominated, Chairman General, the objections from MPP people had in Kintampo. Anyasem Kuma. It took the relationship or combination of some forces within the MPP, any NDC for my father to get the endorsement. Today, through political party socialization, my father is the chairman of the Council of Elders of the MPP in Kintampo North.
Okay.
You can decide to pretend about it, but there's partisanship there. I'm saying that the partisanship is even worse when it is a one-party system. Your constitution, you say, my young entertainers are there. Now let me go to the reality of the issues. Chairman General, at least I have been acting General Secretary of the CPP since October 2018. NCCE, IDEC, in fact, importantly IDEC, CDD, Catholic Bishops Conference, and Electoral Commission. Yaya yadi nkomo enya baako enya mienu enya miensa bekuru be se du mienu. When the president talks about consensus, indeed there was consensus about amending Article 55(3), amending Article 2431, amending Article 243B, and then Article 248. In fact, on some of the occasions at the council say, it is not enough to even amend these things to allow for the election of MMDCs. And then Ubeyi Mampani Tumia, or they appointed 30% of assembly members, no. But as I say, a power structure, no. Say resource mobilization, resource allocation and distribution, as in the constitution, you better change it to give meaning to the changes that we are going to cause at the local level. Because say the yetine, so what to obey DC? Na say to me, dear no say the CTN sanetia, obey simpani. Because Mampani to me in the say, because he calls no quentia. So some of us were even calling for more reforms. Because we feel say Constitution 1992, you know, adanko da document. As I say, for me, I felt this was going to be the beginning of the process. Now, Kwame, as a campaigner for yes, no, I believe what the president said. Yes, would have won the day. But with him, your Friday be parried victory. Meaning, say what can want him that? Kwame be a wire sports there be a behusadi and parry victory. What didn't kunim na kunim di nanya ode abo.
Yeah, no, you see on the literature class.
Thank you. Kwame nkun akansi we utimi si akan di nkunim udi nkunim no wi na waboto eno ne adia the poison atmosphere no introduce here anya me de but chairman general kan bi so no so aya me de enti me anema kan sem bi say sasa
ya ji eni so
na de ya me nwanwa ene nya atwoma esan ya ba mu bio nya atwoma esan ba mu bio wo say yekoto aba na nka obeka se dabi the status quo remain meboa mampani wo say maka nso menwe matwa san wo say watiko apai I don't get it.
Correct, because of 55.3. Please. NPC, please. When you talk about Article 55.3 and you don't know that its parent law is Article 248, even though it's an entrenched clause, now one can I say. I've been an assemblyman before.
You have been an assemblyman. Do you understand that? So it makes you an authority.
Intimately, I'm making
and I mean, because I would need Article 55.3, no? Ne mame anane papa any Article 248 I am non-entrenched. Unim
has got to do with this.
But we are arguing on different wavelengths. I need to I'm not Kwame. Me pesa me bo no tofana me catch you say. Me tie mampani nkomodie no. Kwame.
Yeah.
Or say one instructed local government
minister.
Me sure say local government minister so be into any attorney general be din komo na omo aye the needful. But Kwame, this process I can best tell you we shall return. Na mesre, you must have komo hu biom. Na chumbia koso na me ka wo NCC forum baako. Those who were of the view say Yankoye Article 55.3 and Sunny Yababa non-entrenched provisions, no? And ne ebinum almost a work a woman. Oh, yes. Some woman say the aircraft Rebecca could see the SE. Home said they're not almost, Rebecca could see the SE. At the heart of this matter, Kwame, and that's why I hate this idea, say it's an NDC MPP matter. It is not.
Well, that is what he was tending to.
Kwame, it's so disappointing.
By that press
in 2016, the only political party whose proper research had established that to allow for popular participation in local government, you needed to amend an entrenched provision was the Convention People's Party. Yet the manifesto, 2016 manifesto, page 37. Even within the CPP, after due processes, when we have taken a position, you have some of our members saying, say, the party has not taken a stance. Now, maybe I say party, political party, percent or tuna num to was someone. Minim kwankwa faso kasa man no ya den e cha ni manifesto. And so that notwithstanding, some of our members were around there, out there, leadership, members of leadership, shouting no. Now in the India, me Kwame me catch a lot of it. It has nothing to do with the yes or no position.
But
it's about egos. It's about tests. It's about checking their relevance. Now, me come yesi enyina yati ase say Malawi fo abebu aya meta eka no. Emwa de omo abeben ena ede wo mo achichiri dotom. Kwam so nim doctor.
Debi chechemu.
Oh, take forest. Nkonson wom no. Mwa no mo abeben no mu wura mu eya no mo abeben na ko lokoloko. Na nipa de ya no kasa ene loko ye wodotom. And then under this information age, the obia atro, the obia can be ano. Edaho. Kwame, our words will be played against us one by one. Pray that you are able to stand when your words are played back at you. May I say.
Pray that you're able to stand when your words are played back at you. James Kwabna Bonfe, son of Kwabna of Bonfe, and Motene Kanu.
104.3 wotumi ntake